In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product requirements document in Notion. To get started, open Notion and create a brand new page that will serve as your product requirements document, or PRD. This page will act as the main source of truth for the feature or project. So it's important to keep it organized and easy to scan. A clean PRD helps everyone involved understand the goal, the scope, and what success should look like before any development work begins. At the top of the page, add the product name, followed by a short summary of the feature or project. This summary should be concise but clear. Think of it as a quick overview that explains what you're building and why it matters. If someone opens the page for the first time, they should be able to understand the basic idea within a few seconds. Next, write out the problem the product is trying to solve. This section is important because it gives the project direction. Instead of jumping straight into solutions, clearly describe the issue, pain point, or opportunity behind the work. A strong problem statement keeps the team aligned and helps prevent unnecessary features from being added later. After that, define the target users and their needs. Be specific about who this product or feature is for and what they are trying to accomplish. This helps your team design and build with the right audience in mind. It also makes decision making easier when priorities or trade offs come up during the project. Once that's in place, add the core requirements. These should describe what the product needs to do. Then include user stories to show how real users will interact with the feature in a practical context. Follow that with success metrics so the team knows how performance will be measured after launch. Finally, add acceptance criteria to clarify the exact conditions that must be met for the work to be considered complete. Together, these sections make the PRD much more actionable and reduce confusion during execution. From there, include timelines, owners, and any important notes. Timelines help set expectations around delivery. Owners make responsibilities clear so everyone knows who is accountable for each part of the work. Important notes can capture dependencies, risks, assumptions, or anything else the team should keep in mind as the project moves forward. Before development begins, review the PRD with your team. This final review is essential because it gives everyone a chance to ask questions, catch missing details, and confirm alignment. Taking a little extra time here can save a lot of time later. Once the team agrees on the document, your PRD is ready to guide the work from planning through execution.